In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow Chrome camera access in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if your camera is not working on Google Meet, Zoom, Teams, or any other website that needs webcam permission. Whether Chrome is blocking your camera or the wrong device is selected, I'll walk you through the exact fix. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left and click Privacy and Security. Inside that section, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome controls permissions for things like camera, microphone, location, and notifications. Now scroll down and click Camera. On this page, you'll see Chrome's camera permission settings. The most important step here is to make sure the option that says sites can ask to use your camera is turned on. If this is turned off, websites won't be able to request camera access, which can cause problems when trying to join video calls or record online. After that, check the camera selection at the top of the page. Make sure the correct camera is selected from the drop-down list. If you have more than one camera connected, Chrome may be using the wrong one, so choosing the right device is very important. Once you've selected the correct camera, go ahead and test it on the website you want to use. If the site asks for permission, click Allow, and your camera should start working properly. If it still doesn't work, refresh the page and try again, or check whether another app is already using the camera in the background. So, just to recap, go to Chrome Settings, open Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, click Camera, turn on sites can ask to use your camera, and select the correct camera device. That's it. Your Chrome camera access should now be enabled. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.